That is the outside of the apartment. That's the pool right there. This is a little sitting area right there. Apartment empty tour. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is the first walkway you see when you come in. And this in the new house, Tyler is my co-host. So this is our living room space. As you guys can hear the echo. It's empty, and bear in mind that all of this house is going to be renovated and be different when we finish. So basically we're going to change these floors, put in what we like, because these tiles are very ugly and we don't like them. And we're going to paint these walls. We're going to put this wall over here, we're going to put this wall over here, this wall over here, we're going to put a focus point over here. So we're going to paint this entire space. Yes baby? Come, you come. We're going to paint this room and change the floors. So as you guys can see, this is our living room space. And right here is our front, what do you call this? Our front porch. So it's a cute little space, as you guys can see. So we're going to add flowers out there and make it really homey and nice. So this is our front porch. And then come on back in. And after the living room space right here, we have the current kitchen. So the current kitchen, we're going to change this completely to a brand new kitchen, because you guys know that I cook a lot and in here is very, very small and we really don't like it. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this down. Inside here is our water cooler or our water heater. So we're going to take down the water heater, place it somewhere else in the house, and then take down this wall and open up the kitchen completely and put in a brand new kitchen in this space. So you guys will no longer see this kitchen when we show you the finished look in a few weeks, a few months, whenever the time is. So yeah, this is the current kitchen, which is going to be changed completely. Alright, down this walkway, the first room is going to be the master bedroom, which is this space right here, which also going to change in terms of the lighting is going to change. We're going to paint this space, and then in this space down here, we're going to change this ugly thing here and put in a nice built-in closet in this space right here. So there's going to be a nice little built-in closet here to fit some of Babe and I's stuff. So this is going to be the master bedroom. And then from the master bedroom, out through this door comes the back veranda. And back veranda is French. So this will basically be the back porch, or just a back room. Yes? You want to sit? And this is what up here looks like, which is one of my favorite spaces. So of course this is where I do normal workouts and squats. This is where you're gonna work out with Mama. See? See? Hey! So this, and let me show you how big this space is. It's not bad. We have space here and we have space all the way here. And we also have 2 flower pots, which I'm gonna paint, and I'm gonna fill them up with flowers, and I'm gonna paint over this room. I think I'm also going to keep this same color because I like the color. Taylor, I think I'm gonna keep the color because I like the color, because I'm gonna paint it and make it fresh and all that good stuff. And you guys can see that we have this little sun window, which you can see above the back with all these flowers and stuff. So yeah, this is the back space. And from the master bedroom down this hall, we're also gonna paint all of this. and change these lightings also. And down this hall. Wow, cool. This is the first room, which we really don't know what this room is going to be just yet. But I'm going to paint it and I'm going to just create something really nice in this room. So this is room number 2. And then this room right here is going to be Tyler room. So this is going to be Tyler room, which we're going to paint completely. Everywhere is going to paint. And we're going to put in a nice built-in closet right here. And I'm going to take out all of these things. So this is going to be Tyler room. And this is going to be a room. Yeah. And then from Tyler room, you have the bathroom. This is the bathroom, which I kind of like the color. So I'm not going to change the color. I'm just going to create everything around it. But in this space in the bathroom, we're going to put in this space, we're going to put the washing machine here, and then I'm going to build a closet space storage right here and take down all this tacky looking thing, which I really don't like. And all these things gonna go. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna change out all this lighting, and as you guys can see, it's a bathtub. So in here, I'm gonna put something right here which we can hang the shower head on. So yeah, that's gonna be that. From the bathroom comes the toilet, because you guys know in France, the bathroom and the toilet is never in the same place. So this is a toilet, and remember I showed you guys earlier where there is the water heater. The water heater is now going to be in the toilet and not where you guys see it just now. So at some point it's going to be in here, because the toilet have some space that can use up. So we decided to put it in here and free up that space. So that's the toilet, and there you have it, guys, the tour of our empty apartment. The next time you guys see this, it will be transformed into the Delavaux Ranch. Anyway, you guys, there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you in our next house renovation video, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.